Hello, children. Welcome to today's art session. You know, children, today is Earth Day. Yes, we celebrate Earth Day on 22nd of April in our school every year. But this time, because of some unfavorable circumstances, we all are staying at home. So, the question is, how do we celebrate? So, children, I have a solution for this also. We'll grow a plant at home only, with our family, with the help of our parents. Now, children, you must be thinking that you don't have any material for this. But, children, I'll give you some ideas. So, let's start. Children, first of all, we need a container. So, you can use any plastic bottle or any plastic container available at home. As I'm using this bottle, I have cut it from upwards and I'm using the bottom of this bottle. With the help of your parents, you can cut it like this. Now, children, we need a soil for this. I have some soil with me from my backyard, but if you are not having soil, so I have a solution for this also, children. Now, children, I have kept this soil in the container which I have taken. Now, if you have soil, you can keep this soil in the container, whatever container you are having. If not, then children, take some tissue papers. Take 2 tissue papers like this. And now, put this in a container. I have this container with me. I am putting the tissue paper in the container like this. Now, spray some water in it so that it will get moist. Now, for this, if you are using tissue paper, I am showing you that you can put wheat available at home in the tissue paper. Tell mama to give you some wheat from the kitchen and you can put wheat in the tissue paper. Now, children, put some water again and cover it with the tissue paper again. Now, after covering it with the tissue paper, again we'll put some water so that it will get moist. Like this. And now you can keep it in a sunlight like this. Now, children, I'll tell you how to grow in soil. Now, let's come back to the soil. Now, children, in soil, you can take coriander seeds also from home. I have taken some coriander seeds and I have crushed it, and now I'm putting it in the soil like this. Now I'm giving some water to it like this. Now, children, our planter is ready, but now we will decorate our planter so that it will look beautiful. Now, I have few cutouts with me. I have colored eyes like this and nose like this and ears also. Now I'll gonna decorate my planter with all this like this, children, and it is done. Isn't it looking beautiful also? Children, keep this in the sunlight and within 5 to 6 days you will see it growing. Children, I must say this, that you will get sense of achievement and happiness after you will get something out of it. See, children, I have done this. Now it's your turn. This will be the best gift for Mother Earth. Thank you. Happy Earth Day.